Good morning. So welcome to the 6 a.m. show. And today we're looking to be trading gold or S&P on our 100k challenge. So let's have a quick review. Let's see where we're sitting at. So we're sitting at 104.4, so 4.4k into profit. So yeah, we're just shy of $1,500 to pass in this account. So hopefully I can get that done this week. Looking for 3 good trades. Quite mindful that we do have Thanksgiving and we have some holidays in the US. So thanks Mandela for letting me know over the weekend. So quickly on the equity chart, we can see where we started off and where we're at. So yeah, we're just a little bit shy of passing this challenge, hoping to get that done this week. What I am looking at the moment is the trade I'm looking for today is gold, and just zoomed into the M5. We can see we came down, we tested this Asian low here, and we just seem to be pushing back up at the moment. So if the price breaks below here or above here, we're looking to take that position. So I know Mandela was hoping to join us, but he's got a few technical issues at the moment, which he's working on. So yeah, so that's where we're at this morning. So what else am I looking at? So yeah, here's gold. You can see there's a nice trade around 2:15 this morning. Yeah, now I've got nicely in to take profit, but we're just looking for a break below this Asian low here. Also look at the S&P. Seems to be getting a break to the downside. I might take this trade within the range. We'll see how that sets out. But again, with the S&P as well, I'd like it to break one of these levels here. So as always, it's a game of patience, and yeah, hopefully the price can come to us while we're on stream for the next 30 minutes. And I'm just trying to find out today's Forex and futures high impact news, just so we can quickly run through that. So yeah, gold at the moment. Yes, I'm looking for a clear move before we can take a trade. Good morning.
Good morning, Andrew. How you doing?
I'm alright. I was panicking a little bit when you had technical issues. I was quickly searching for some news without you. But yeah, I'm glad you're on.
Yeah, some issues with the Wi-Fi this morning, but we were able to get it sorted. So thank you for helping me with that. It's a great idea. Not sure what happened overnight with the internet here, but we're up and running. So how's the market looking? I'm just getting internet, so just getting up to speed.
Yeah, so for myself, looking at a gold short, we came down, we tested the Asian low, created a low around 3:25 this morning. Yeah, we got the price pushed down, actually tested that level, didn't break through. We've had a bit of a pullback here on the price, but I'm actually going to wait patiently. I'm hoping gold's going to push down. I've zoomed into the M5, and let's see if we can get the price to open below this Asian low. I'm also looking at the S&P, so that's ES on futures. and yeah, potentially could be a short position setting up on the S&P. So I may take that. Just patience at the moment. I'm more interested in gold. But let's have a quick look at ES. So I'm looking to trade a micro. And let me just zoom out on that. So what's news, Mandela? How was the weekend?
It was nice. We have some family visiting from overseas. So my wife's family has come and visited us. It's actually my wife's grandmother and grandfather just finished a tour. A cruise, and they're spending a few days in London. So we were with them on Saturday night, and Sunday night they came over to the house as well.
Oh, that's lovely. Oh, nice.
Yeah,
it's good to spend time with family, especially this time of year, right?
It's important.
Yeah, I really enjoy Christmas, and the Christmas period. It's just makes up for being wet and cold in the UK, right? So no, it's nice, especially this time of year.
So what about you? What was your weekend like?
Usual, to be honest. I think Saturday,
okay,
a little bit of back testing, just looking back at things. And I will say, yesterday then I went to go see one of my cousins, auntie and uncle, and then quite similar family, and I watched the football then yesterday afternoon, so that was quite good.
Oh, very nice. Very nice.
So
fresh,
another fresh start for United. Not the result I wanted, but yeah, it just shows the work in hand for our new manager. So and just a little bit of work in yesterday evening as normal, but not good weekend all in all. I'm tired this morning.
Yeah, it was a rough one for me this morning as well. Did you go to bed late last night?
No, I'm quite set to my routine for sleep, so I always get to bed pretty early. Just I slept quite well, in fairness, and I've just woken up tired. I've had my double espresso, so that should kick in within the next 10 minutes. So anyone watching the show, any questions, just please jump into the comments or the chat, and we'll do our best to answer them. But back to trading. Yes, for myself, I'm watching gold at the moment. Looking to trade Mandela's breakout strategy.
That.
Yeah,
I like that.
It is yours, mate. You find it, right?
Yeah, I'll take it.
I'm waiting for the price to break below this Asian low. So,
okay.
We're in for a bit of a wait. I got my eye on ES, potentially looking to take a short position on ES as well. Not yet. We're still in the Asian range, but it seems to be breaking to the downside. And the same with gold. Actually, we got like a support level around here. Yes, we seem to be testing this support. And so if we can get a break below that, we'll be potentially looking to take that trade. So I've got like some support around here. So this is what I'm looking at. Just quickly drew at it, right? But we seem to be we came down to the Asian low. We've tested. We've actually consolidated around this price, and we seem to be breaking to the downside again. So quite interested in that at the moment. So let me get this right. So I'd say around here. So looking at this range here, what we're looking at is we got some support around here, and I'd like to see a breakdown or breakout below this Asian low, and I'm going to take that trade. So for yourself, Mandela, do you have any news for us this morning?
Yes, we do. Let's get over to the news segment. One of my favorite segments of the show, Andrew. We have just a bit of news this week. So it's a short week, as most of you will already know. We have Thanksgiving in the US on Thursday and Black Friday on Friday. But for today, we're looking at not a whole lot of news. I think out of the European Union, we have ECB Lane speaking at 3:30, and then at 4:30 we get a 3-month and a 6-month treasury bill auction, followed by a 2-year note auction at 6 p.m. today. I think the biggest item for this week, Andrew, if I had to be completely honest and frank with you, I'd probably say it's going to be on Wednesday, 1:30 in the afternoon. It's PCE, core PCE, which is an inflationary gauge, as well as durable goods orders and GDP, all coming out at the same time. On top of that, we also have initial jobless claims. So a slew of data is going to be coming out on Wednesday at 1:30, and we'll be looking out for that. Thursday, obviously, will most likely be quiet. That's the Thanksgiving Day holiday, so markets in the US will be closed. Forex are going to be technically open, but they don't tend to do much. And then Friday, markets closing at 1 p.m. I believe that's 1 p.m. Eastern time in the US, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, so the movement's going to be slow, so potentially we'll give ourselves a well-earned rest on Wednesday and Thursday.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea, Andrew.
Yeah,
and Friday, I think we just threw in capital preservation Friday, turn it into rest Friday.
Yeah, we'll do that. And shall we have a look at some charts?
Absolutely. We can have a quick look at Bitcoin. We got a dip in Bitcoin. You're right on. You got your finger on the pulse with the graphics. Very sleek. We got a dip. So everybody's been waiting for some sort of buyable dip. The bears have been patiently hoping for something, and they got it. We got it down as far as 95,780. So 95,780 was the low hit pretty much yesterday, and it looks like the bulls have come in and scooped it back up. So we'll see what happens here.
What's the chances that Jim Cramer, right? He does that tweet, buy Bitcoin, and it just price just gets wiped out. So I can imagine a lot of stops of new money were taken out, a lot of panic. And I think we were chatting in one of our groups, and like everyone I know who's into crypto, they're around 100k. They were all cashing 50% in, or they were moving 50% to cold storage on their crypto, and just let the other 50% ride. I can imagine some people have just taken profits. Sure, they've rewarded themselves, and I think they're gonna stay into crypto for the next leg. But for myself,
I think that's smart to do. Yeah.
I think so as well, and I think it's well deserved. Those people who've held all this time, you need to reward yourself, right? So you can see where we've just filled that imbalance or that liquidity void. We've pulled it back down, and we seem to be pushing the price up quite nicely. So I think Bitcoin's one to watch for this week.
Yeah, it should be interesting, especially with Thanksgiving. It's always the news pundits always talk about, well, what are the families, what are people going to be talking about around the Thanksgiving table? And I have a feeling that at least the crypto bros are going to be smiling this Thanksgiving.
They're going to be flexing with their turkey, right? Yeah.
Yes, they will be.
They've waited years for this. Imagine like every year when crypto's been crashing, they've been they've had some comments.
Yeah, I'm sure. Like, get a real job, or it's not worth anything. All that fun stuff.
So, should we have a quick look at XRP before we move on to the more of our tradable pairs?
Sure. I think XRP did a dip as well. Let's have a look at it. Here we go. XRP. So we got to dip back down to that 130, one spot 30 that we were looking at way back.
Yeah, it's just acted as a nice support level, right? So it came back down to 130, rejected, which is great. And we seem to see XRP pushing back up as well, so that's good news. Especially
this would have been a great buy. Oh yeah. You're holding, right? You're just holding.
Just holding, not trading.
That's good.
Yeah, but as long as we respect that $1.30 mark, we'll be staying in XRP, so that's quite nice. And we're up to breaking
146.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that $1.60 level looks like our next resistance level, which we need to hit and break. So it's looking good. So I think $1.30, good support. Obviously $1 will be strong support as well. So yeah, we trade nicely above those levels. So that's good news.
Yep. Looks good. I did pick up a little bit on the weekend. I said, look, I can't be talking about XRP and not have any at all. So it's good. So I'm with you. I'm with you guys.
Should have a quick look at gold for today. So gold had a big push down overnight. And
do you know if there's any news? Do you know if anything happened? Because I was wondering. It doesn't usually move that much overnight. I haven't seen anything, but it's just interesting.
Yeah, same here. I haven't seen anything to push that price down. I think on today's London Open, if we can't break that Asian range, we could see a push back up. There is a liquidity void to be filled as well.
Right here?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so we could see that price back up to that 61 before we get a movement in either direction. So, yeah, I'm watching gold. Potentially, I'm looking at a short position on the futures account.
Yeah. It looks good. It looks good. This was a big move, Andrew. Jeez.
Yes, it is. Yeah, I'll have a quick look at see if there was any news overnight or any reason why it's dropped. I've checked the mainstream media. I don't see any reason why.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm just looking now, and nothing really.
Nothing. Okay, that's fair. Maybe some profit taken from last week. I don't know. People getting ready for their Thanksgiving, Black Friday. Oh, the Black Friday budget. Maybe they wanted to cash out so that they can buy some things on Friday.
Could be.
I don't know.
Let's have a quick look at the S&P, shall we?
All right, here we go. Are you big Black Friday buyer? Sorry.
I'm not. No, I just think it's you know me, I just think it's nonsense, to be honest. I want to buy something, I'll buy it. I don't buy things I don't need.
Yeah.
If I need something, I'll get it. Obviously, I'd like it at a cheaper price, but I don't need another TV. I just don't need any electrical goods. So yeah, I'm. You know me, I wouldn't buy for the sake of it. So, like some people now go out and buy big screen TV and they've already got 2 or 3, right? They don't need another one. But, it's just a great way to get people's money out of their pockets and into the economy. So, get my tinfoil hat on, I just think it's a scam. So yeah, that's my opinion on it. We just buying things you don't need.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
I'm very similar. I'm very similar in that way.
Yeah, like some people go crazy, right? It's like, oh yeah, look, this TV is it was such a discount. It's half price. But it's not. I won't go into it. But yeah, I just think it's one way to get money out of your pocket. And with Christmas coming, I think you should be trying to save your shekels. But there we are. So S&P, I'm looking at a short position on this morning. I'd like you to break that Asian low or that where it opened.
Yeah.
So I'm looking at that level, and we got a nice gap to fill as well. So
Yep, that's a pretty big gap. So this is making me think like we got a big move down in gold, fairly big gap up in S&P. So I'm wondering something's brewing. I don't know. You don't usually see these big gaps on a Sunday or a Monday morning.
Yeah, so
interesting.
Yeah, like I said, the mainstream media, they'll be late to the party, and something did happen, and they'll probably report on that today, right?
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay, so S&P. So you're looking to get short here.
I am, yeah, but there's nothing happening at the moment. Gold is just going sideways at the moment. So if I quickly share where we're at with gold. So yeah, I'm looking to take a short position, but I want to see a break below this Asian low and just see me just consolidating along this price here. So yeah, waiting for a move one way or another. Same with the S&P. That just seems to be going sideways at the moment. It looks like to me it's setting up for a sell. But yeah, that's the thing with this strategy. Normally, when we were trading the M5, when we look at those Heikin-Ashi breaks, etc., we were getting the trades off on the show. But yeah, for the last 2 weeks, it's been a little bit more conservative with my trades, waiting for clear direction, and yeah, nothing so much this morning. So just gonna have
would you say the new strategy, there are differences, any major differences that you found?
Yeah, the risk to reward is better on the new strategy. So, rather than taking the 30 points, potentially I'm taking, between 50 and 60 maybe. Yeah, and, 3 good trades on this strategy. I'm going to get 100k pass this week.
Yeah.
Yeah, it requires a lot more patience, for sure. But, yeah, we'll have a quick look at, if I go to... So we can see where the new strategy came in. So I think we jumped in around here.
Yeah,
we can just see how we've pushed up. So yeah, we're doing pretty good. We were 700 shy of hitting our stop loss and actually being liquidated from the account. And then you can just see then where we've pushed up. And just looking at the performance, my best trades are on gold. So winning 75% on the gold,
nice.
77%. So the trades I'm staying away from is the Nasdaq. Yeah, you can just see he had a really bad day trading the NQ. And S&P, let's have a quick look. So we did 71% with the S&P. With the Russell 2000.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, so we're doing quite well. But yeah, the Nasdaq's not great for me. And we're 50% on the mini S&P, but yeah, gold seems to be my trade. So we're above 75%. So yeah, I'd like to stick to gold if I can.
Yeah, so that's good.
Yeah,
that's
good. Just waiting for gold to break out. So I don't have much more to say this morning. Just if you do watch the show, yeah, get your levels marked in gold. I'm prepared to go short. And same with the S&P as well. I'm looking to take a short position this morning. What I might do is just jump back on if I take the trade. But at the moment, just need to be patient.
Yeah, that sounds good. I mean, you're providing very actionable and sound analysis here. So I think even if we look back at the previous videos, been very helpful for those who are watching. It's not always going to be, perfect time to jump in a trade. Look, I'm able to exit in this perfect time. It doesn't usually work like that. Yeah,
it doesn't. Yeah, you have to be patient, have to wait for your trades. And we have got gold. It is pushing down, but I'm not going to be interested until we open and close below this Asian low. So yeah, we could be looking at a trade there. And I'm just mindful of S&P as well. So that's just consolidating at the moment. Seems to hit a high. And yeah, I'm waiting for a breakout on the S&P as well. So that's it for myself this morning. I might just jump back on live if we do take the trade. But just be a game of patience today. But yeah, just for people who are watching the show, looking to go short on gold if we break that Asian low. Potentially a short trade on the S&P.
Sounds good. We'll have a look back, and if you do jump back on, I'll be watching, Andrew.
Thanks very much, and I'll see you in the morning.
Okay, sounds good. Have a great one. Have a good day.
Thanks, Mandela.
Thanks.
See you soon. Bye for now.
Bye. Bye.